baby, you're nice and clean. You girl, make money every day.
Yeah, man. And the one done. I mean, I say, yo, congratulations to all of the people them. We put Jamaica on top. All of the icons them, we put Jamaica on top. But that one thing me no like. Just one time, we might like with Jamaican people, some of them. Anytime you I do good, everybody applaud you. And then I realize that the body can run down or something can happen to the body. Some of the time you plan to make another victory, and I like say you don't want to do it. You know, but I just the body itself, things happen. I don't probably know these things. But we just play stubborn and play hard. Then see Usain Bolt. Well, me, I have nothing bad to say about Usain Bolt. Because me can't do what Usain Bolt do. You see me? Me can't do that because me in my 30s now. So me can't do that. That's what I say. So me I have nothing bad to say about nobody. You see me? Because everybody live the life they want and do what they want. Not that I'm saying that Bolt do what they want to do. But if you take a closer look on Bolt, you suppose you know say Bolt never fit. And as according to what I hear say, him did say, him not feel too well in himself. So the coach should have know that. The coach should have know that. Yeah, the coach should have know that. The man embarrassed himself. Well, I'm not saying embarrassed Jamaica, but as control around to read, I'm going to say him embarrassed me too. But you know what I say? Me not feel that way. Because Bolt are still the fastest man in the world. That's what I say. So look at one race where they look at boy there win. And a high. If Bolt in a right state and fitness, Bolt will win every race when I run. So I say, yo, I'm not nothing against Bolt. So you hear me Bolt, you're the boss same way. The fastest man in the world. But I want the Jamaican people to congratulate the man and stop cussing. But them disappointed. For what? I'm never give a Christmas. Sure.